Welcome back to the channel. In this quick breakdown, we're diving into a powerful 5-minute chart move on CHFJPY. And yes, it's pumping. On April 1st, 2025, CHFJPY presented a clean, bullish breakout on the M5 chart. After a period of consolidation, price shot up, hitting over 26 pips in profit. Multiple confirmations aligned, an upward trend label from the trend summary. A clean EMA crossover, and strong bullish candles breaking resistance. Take profit zones were well placed, with TP1, TP2, and TP3 showing progressive target levels. Price already moved past TP2 and is heading toward the final zone. Blue consolidation zones acted as perfect springboards. Each pullback respected support before launching again, proving bullish control. With a win rate of 73% and over 160 winning trades tracked, this setup reflects precision, discipline, and risk-managed trading. CHFJPY gave us the kind of setup traders wait all day for. Clean trend, clear entries, and strong exits. If you want more high-quality setups like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and check the links in the description.